Welcome to Block 99. My name is Shirley. If it's your first time visiting us, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So we are busy making our veranda for the workshop, and they are busy mixing cement and quarry dust to fill up in here. This is how far they came for today. It is almost 1 o'clock, going to 1 o'clock, and I think the movement work is slow because they are all waiting for their food to come out. This is how far. Okay, so the guys just told me that they're not using in the mixture, and I thought they were using it in the mixture. They are not. They're taking how many wheelbarrows of quarry dust? You're saying you take 9 wheelbarrows quarry dust and uh-huh, and cement. How many cement? One cement. You put in here. You mix with the water. Finish. Finish. Okay. There. They put 9 wheelbarrows quarry dust and 1 bag of cement, and then mix it. So when you put the wheelbarrow quarry dust is full. How? It's like how? It's like this. Like this. Okay. Mixing. Wow. Wow. I'm also going to share the food now. I'll show you how my bean leaves came out. They actually taste very nice. I like it. Wash your hands. Eat lunch. Steve, are you happy for lunch? You're hungry again? Are you also hungry again? Also angry again? Don't be angry. I mean, no lunch today. You're just gonna work. You just work, no eating. Good, good, honey. I'll give your food to Cobra. Bachalo, no lunch today. You're not hungry anymore. Never hungry. You just want to work. Good, Bachalo. I'll call Cobra to come and eat. It's okay? So everybody's ready for lunch. Excited for the vegetables. So Ruth was the one who cooked the vegetables today. There's Ruth. Thank you, Ruth, for cooking vegetables today. Welcome. Let me take Lydia's plate. So Ruth, tell us how this is the vegetables. It is bean leaves with groundnuts and tomato. So how did you cook it, Ruth?
I start boiling the little water.
Mm-hmm.
Once it's boiled, I take the salt. I put the vegetables on. Leave it for a long time. not much longer. I put the groundnuts
Mm-hmm.
powder and tomato.
The groundnuts first and then the tomato.
Yeah. Then it's boiled. Then it's done.
Then you boil, you don't put anything else, it's just water, the leaves, bean leaves, groundnuts, tomato, boil,
Yeah.
and that's how it turns out. It actually tastes so nice. Lukia's very excited. Lukia, are you excited about it? Why, is it good for you?
Yeah, it's good.
Why?
Give it vitamin A.
Vitamin A? And how is the what does vitamin A do for you?
Blood bloody.
To add blood, so you want to add blood. Nice. But Chalo, I thought you said you're not eating. Because Hami also said he's not eating. You put the machine off. So you decided, okay. Hami, why did you put the machine off?
Because he's not hungry.
Lukia on her phone. Lukia's hair is actually nice. I'm in the process of growing my hair. And Lukia told me she did her dreads, her locks. She went to the salon and they put is it thread? Is it do they do it with thread?
Yeah.
Thread? They did it with thread and then she's going to leave it and then it grows for very long, your hair, and then she can go to the salon again and they loosen it up. Okay. So I'll see from her. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you. Karibu.
Martha, enjoy. Yeah, they are busy mixing. And I understood wrong earlier. They took of the quarry stone, which is this. How many wheelbarrows of the quarry stone did you take?
9 wheelbarrows.
9. And then for the quarry dust there,
59 wheelbarrows.
you also took 9 wheelbarrows.
Yes.
And then you took cement.
Cement. After is 3 bags.
Yeah. But you put 2 bags when you mix dry.
Yes.
And then when you start to add water,
Yes.
then you put another bag.
No, it's
It's already put. You put it on top.
and what?
Oh, you already put the bag of cement on top,
Yes.
and now you're gonna put the water, and then you mix. Okay, that is how you do the mixture. So it's 9 quarry stone,
Yes.
9 quarry dust,
Yes.
2 bags of cement. Mix,
Mix.
and now you put the bag of cement on top, and then the water, and then it's good to mix. Okay, that's how they do it. So I understood wrong. So that one there, that soil there. You don't mix that one.
Not it's no.
Oh, okay. I thought you also mix that one. Okay.
This bags. It's no.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. So that's how it goes. I thought it's that also mixing in there, but not. So now it's lunchtime. Everybody's ready to eat. And this is how the concrete is looking for now. A thick layer. We are enjoying the silence lunchtime. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Also leave a little comment. Thank you.